Let us solve for a, given a raised to power 3 plus a is equal to 222. The given equation is a raised to power 3 plus a is equal to 222. This can be written as a raised to power 3 plus a. If you bring this 2 to this side, it becomes minus 222 is equal to 0. If a is equal to 1, is it going to be equal to this 222? No, this is not equal to. Also, if a is equal to 4, is it going to equal to 222? No, because a raised to power 3 is 64 plus a. That will be 68. So let's see, if a is equal to 5, 5 raised to power 3 plus 5, is it equal to 222? Let's see, 5 raised to power 3, this is 125 plus 5. This is equal to 130. And of course, 130 is not equal to 222. Now, if a is equal to 6, then 6 raised to power 3 plus 6, is it equal to 222? 6 raised to power 3, this is 216 plus 6. This is equal to 222. Now, let's see, our equation is a raised to power 3 plus a minus 222 is equal to 0. Now, let us replace this 222 by 216 plus 6. A raised to power 3 plus a minus 216 plus 6 is equal to 0. A raised to power 3 plus a minus, if you open the bracket with negative, we have 216 minus 6 is equal to 0. A raised to power 3 plus a minus 216 is 6 raised to power 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, this is a raised to power 3 and this is 6 raised to power 3. A raised to power 3 minus 6 raised to power 3 bracket plus, this is a and this is minus 6. A minus 6 is equal to 0. If you have s raised to power 3 minus y raised to power 3, this is equal to s minus y bracket s square plus sy plus y square, where s is equal to a and y is equal to 6. So this can be written as a minus 6 bracket a square plus 6a plus c square bracket plus this a minus 6 is equal to 0. You can see that a minus 6 is common and is here. Let's bring it out. A minus 6 bracket. If you divide the whole of this by this a minus 6, we have a square plus 6a plus c square, that is 36. Then plus, if you divide this by this a minus 6, that is 1. is equal to 0. Then we have a minus 6 bracket a square plus 6a plus 37 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is a minus 6 is equal to 0, a is equal to 6. And the second case is a square plus 6a plus 37 is equal to 0. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. Because we've got the first value of a, which is a1, then a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 37. A is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of c square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 37 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of c squared, that is 36, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 37, that is 148, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Then a is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 148, that is minus 112, divided by 2. A is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 112 can be written as 16 multiplied by 7 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. A is equal to minus 6 plus or minus, we have square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 7 multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 2. Now, square root of minus 1 is equal to I. A is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4. Square root of minus 1 is I. Then root 7 divided by 2. A is equal to minus 6 divided by 2 plus or minus 4I root 7 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. A is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 2I square root of 7. These are other values of A. Therefore, our final answer are A1 is equal to 6, A2 is equal to minus 3 plus 2I root 7. A3 is equal to minus 3 minus 2I square root of 7. You can see that we have one real root and two complex roots. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, the given equation is a raised to power 3 plus a is equal to 2, 2, 2. If a is equal to 6, 6 raised to power 3 plus 6 must be equal to 222. 6 raised to power 3, this is 216 plus 6 must be equal to 222. 216 plus 6, this is 222 is equal to 2, 2, 2, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.